Nowadays, famous glutathione. Everyone talks about it. Everyone knows about it. It's none other than the famous skin lightening treatment, which Bollywood celebrities are addicted to. Intravenous glutathione treatments, or nowadays we also have gluta sprays, which are sprayed under the tongue to be absorbed into the blood circulation, will definitely yield faster results than oral glutathiones. But today we're going to discuss which one is better, why to choose IV, and why to choose oral glutathione. Alternately, glutathione pills are proven as effective as IV glutathione, but they are cheaper as compared to IV glutathione. The only difference is that they will give you the same satisfactory result over a longer period of time, and this is due to their limitation in their absorption in the GI tract. One round of treatment for intravenous glutathione includes 10 IV sessions, which is performed twice a week for 5 weeks. And this can make your skin up to 3 shades lighter. What you need to understand is that there are 4 stages which are experienced by the patient during a round of glutathione treatment. The first stage is the detox stage. So in this stage, glutathione will detoxify the liver, the kidneys, and the whole body system as a whole. And this happens during the first 2 weeks of the treatment. Then comes the second stage, which is the restorative stage. This is when glutathione will start to repair any scars, injuries, inflammations, or imperfections on the skin. Number 3 is the anti-aging stage. The skin becomes tighter, looks younger, and starts to show an amazing glow. And finally comes the 4th stage, which is experienced after 5 weeks of treatment, and this is when the skin becomes visibly lighter. Very often, people tend to think that skin lightening would be visible just after their first session of IV glutathione. But remember, skin lightening is only a side effect of glutathione treatment. And glutathione treatment has been used for years as a liver detox treatment mainly. And glutathione was only introduced into aesthetics in the recent decades for its secondary effect, which is the skin lightening effect. So to maintain skin lightening, either repetitive IV glutathione sessions will be required after the 5 weeks of treatment, or a patient can shift to oral glutathione or gluta spray depending on their budget. Or if a patient decides to start only on oral glutathione pills, skin lightening can be expected to become visible after 3 months of treatment. The degree of skin lightening after 6 to 8 weeks of intravenous glutathione treatment and 5 months of oral glutathione treatment is more or less the same.